So guys, what's the sound? Oh,
Cesarean? Nagmanak na kaya yun?
Oo, cesarean eh.
Why did he have an invisible head? Or read this. Why is it
Tsaka,
blue?
ano yung bata?
I
3.5.
forgot.
Kaya yun.
Oh, I'm
High blood din pati.
blue.
High blood na siya.
Be alive.
Di ba mama niya na high blood din?
Dead.
Anak na siguro.
See, that was cool animation.
Ayun.
Whoa.
Bilan nyo rin ako drawer awa kung paglalagyan niya.
Example. So I have a brand new OC called OC2 and it freezes people.
Kasi ilang nga bibili yun sana. Nakita niya kisa niya. Sabi ko, bilan mo siya siya.
Now, and
Pag binilan kita niya, saan mo na ilalagay? Sabi niya. Sa bahay mo.
example, we spawned a literal helicopter. Oh, it breaks down one times. No. Boom. Boom. Why does it not working? Bruh. Because it's glitched? Because the helicopter is broken? Fine, what about you?
Hindi na bebe namin.
See? We can still drive the whole thing. Oh my god. The brand new OC Husky. So that's it. I'm joking, what is it like? Okay. So let's find an OC character. This one.
Ay, hindi ka bawag. Hindi daw hindi. Hindi ka bawag. Hindi bawag yung ating nanay na. Ay, opo, hindi pala. Hindi. Sorry na. Ay, babay. Ay, hindi pala. Okay.
What's you? What? It bounced like a piece of butter steak. God. Yo, chill. It actually. Yo. Did he just die? Oh, he freezed. He literally freezed. Wee. Oh. Where's it? Oh, there. He's still freezed. Where's the other one? There. See? Oh my god. Is this the guy? No way, he died from immortality and he died because frost protection. Oh my god, that's so insane.
Ayoko yung kid na nagagawa. Hindi ko kanya. Hindi na masarap, no?
So, bye guys. Make sure subscribe this video and like. Goodbye.